Hello, friends. Blessed are those who mourn, Jesus said, for they will be comforted. You know, God mourns for those who don't see Him and don't know Him. He feels grief and pain just as we do. Just a few pages into the book of Genesis, we learn that God's heart was grieved, broken, over the plight of His human race. You and I were each born into a world that has gone its own way, a fallen world in which it's extremely difficult to see the hand of a loving God. It's no more our fault than it is our destiny, to quote Rich Mullins. But there is a light at the end of this tunnel. Jesus said all who mourn will be comforted. This includes the Father. And this beatitude is an assurance to each of us that our tears and prayers are not in vain. For all things will ultimately be reconciled to God. Colossians 1:20. Godspeed, my friends.